Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the font style in Telegram on your PC step by step. If you want to give your chats a fresh new look and personalize your Telegram experience, this guide will walk you through the process. So let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open the Settings page where you can customize different parts of your Telegram experience. Inside Settings, click on Chat Settings. Here, you'll find various appearance and customization options for your chats. Scroll down until you find the Font Family option. Click on Font Family to view the available font styles. A list of fonts will appear. Browse through the options and select the font that you prefer. Once you've chosen a font, click Save to confirm your changes. Keep in mind that the new font may not appear immediately. To apply the changes, close Telegram completely and then reopen the application. After restarting Telegram, you'll see your chats displayed using the new font style you selected. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font style in Telegram on your PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.